Hello class, welcome to week 2 of W340. This week we're really getting into the content for the class and I'm looking forward to it. When you go into the week 2 module, you will see how the information is organized. I have summarized the introductory section of our reader, Divided. And then I've given you an introduction to the unit on education. That's what we're going to start with, the education unit. And the first reading you're going to do is No Rich Child Left Behind by Sean F. Reardon. So please read through this reading very carefully, and then you will see that there are comprehension questions for you to complete. Those are in a Google Doc. In order to complete them, you will need to go to, after you've opened the file, make a copy, and then you will have a copy of the document that you can edit. You can also simply directly type the answers in the text box on Canvas. It's either file, upload, or text box. That's your choice. And then you're getting credit for completing them. I will post an answer key for you to check your own answers. And also feel free to discuss any questions you have within your small groups that you've been assigned to. So in any case, this reading, No Rich Child Left Behind, I'm counting how many pages it is. It's just 6 or 7 pages, but they may be a bit dense, so it might take you a while. When I was first at the university, I took a class in medieval studies, and the readings were like this, short, maybe 10 pages, and I had to spend a good hour or 2 on them because they were so challenging, if you will. So be prepared to spend some time on that and then answer the comprehension questions, which are simply designed to make sure you're catching the key points. And I'm taking a quick look at our schedule here. Yeah, so task 2.1 is to submit the comprehension questions for No Rich Child Left Behind. Then you're going to have a section introducing you to MLA format in a little bit more detail. Some of you already know this. If so, it'll be quick and easy. If you don't know it, it should be definitely doable. I'm breaking this down over a few weeks, how to do the format, how to quote, and how to cite. Read through that information. There's a small quiz on it. It's a learning quiz. You can take it. I have it set to take up to as many times as you would like, but I may change that. I'm thinking I'll change that to 5 attempts. That should be plenty, and the highest attempt will count. Our discussion for the week will be a critical thinking question related to the reading, the No Rich Child Left Behind reading by Reardon. And again, you've been divided into a group with 3 or 4 other students. And so you will need to post your initial discussion by midnight on Thursday. I'm going to change the initial discussion posts to be due Thursday night, give you a little more time to work on them. So by midnight Thursday, and then you need to respond to each of your group members' posts by midnight on Sunday. Be sure, please, to do your initial post on time. Small group work does not work if everybody isn't participating. So please make that a very high priority. And then also you'll notice that at the end of each week I have a bonus reading, which is for students who want to learn more about the topic and who have extra time. I'm trying to keep the amount of work for this class manageable for students at a variety of levels and experience. So just to give you a preview of what's coming up, we're going to be continuing weekly doing different readings on education inequality in the United States. And your first essay is going to be an analytical response essay. And I'll be assigning that fairly soon. Oh yes, I always forget. Fun fact of the week. This fun fact of the week is that I cut my own hair. This is my Corona cut. And I haven't had bangs in a very, very long time. I know they're quite long and in my eyes, but this is not grease, it's hairspray. I had the idea that they might make me look younger. But they're really long, and so I can't decide if I want to cut them shorter or if I want to let them go longer so that I can sweep them to the side. I don't know. But I actually was fairly satisfied with this haircut, considering that I don't have any training in cutting hair. So that's it. Enjoy the Corona cut. I will be in touch with you all very soon. Hope you're having a great day. Take care of yourself, take care of your mental health, and be well.